are good.
Trying to make a fool out of me.
It's a beautiful morning and it's too early. But you know what? I got some shit to do. So guys, we're gonna be starting off this vlog at Wells Fargo because I need to get a temporary card. I need to do that. And I have so much shit to do today. I got to do my oil on the Lexus. I gotta go buy sway bar links for the Lexus because when we did the coils last week, we kind of fucked up one side. So I'm gonna replace both of them today. So hopefully my car can get on the lift at my job. I'm praying to God, but if not, it's all good. We'll just go to Justin's shop, we'll lift it up, put it on some stands. We'll be rolling my fenders also today. After I'm done with Wells Fargo, after I'm done getting my my debit card, I'm gonna go finish the last video, edit it, and upload it today. Today's Saturday, and after that, we'll go and buy the parts that I need somewhere, O'Reilly's, AutoZone, they don't, wherever. And then get today started. So guys, I'll see y'all somewhere. Man, dude, I swear, I always get the hottest fingers. Dude, she was so fine, super nice, really tall. Too bad I'm too short. But, and she had a fucking wedding ring. Whatever, don't matter to me. How you doing, man?
Sick, man. What you been up to?
Just working on the car. I need to see if y'all have any sway bar links.
What year is it?
14. If I'm being in the video?
Yeah, man, go for it.
So 36, y'all have them in stock?
I ain't got them. I'm gonna check who's got them.
Okay, but I'll get the oil filter.
Alright. Change any receipt on that?
No, I'm good. Thanks, man.
Alright, bro.
I appreciate it. You have a good one, dude.
You too.
So guys, that's a homeboy of mine, Steven. He has a really sick ass Jeep. I'll leave his Instagram somewhere around here. But go check it out if you love Jeeps or if you're into the whole like lifted Jeep stuff, dude. I like how his Jeep is. It's all black. I gotta go somewhere else and find these fucking sway bar links. Well guys, I have some bad news. No one in town has these sway bar links. I'm probably gonna have to order them. But I'm gonna go and finish up editing the film and then upload it today. And then after that, I'm gonna go get the tool to roll my fenders and then hit up Justin so we can go to the shop and get the car lifted, jack stands, and get that process ready. Because I kind of want to lower my front just a little bit because my rears are lower than my front, so I kind of want to even it out. But I also got to check all of my suspension parts, see if there's anything wrong with them, any bends, any like cracking or anything like that. Since I've been on coils for a week, I just want to make sure everything is working fine, because if not, that's gonna fucking suck replacing new shit. But that's more content for you guys. So yeah, I'll see you guys at Justin's shop once I get there after all the editing and all that. So see you guys later. Oh my god, finally guys, it's starting to fucking upload right here. Y'all guys can see it's uploading. Yo guys, we finally made it to Justin's shop. So we're gonna put the car back on the lift and then we're gonna take the wheels off and then start rolling those fenders. This is the tool we'll be using right here. I never used one of these before, but fuck it. It fucking rained and it's super dirty. I fucking washed my car yesterday and now since it rained, it's fucking filthy again. But anyways guys, I'm so sorry I didn't close out the video yesterday. My phone died, but we did get done rolling the fenders. So underneath, we kind of fucked up right here, but we got all this. But the problem was this side was fine. This side wasn't bending like the other side. But we did get the other side perfect. Well, I think it was perfect for doing it my first time with Justin. So we got all this fender line done. Today, what I want to do, I want to finish the video. I'm going to town. I need to vacuum my car. And I don't think I'm gonna wash my car. Fuck that, because it looks like it's gonna rain. So yeah, I'm gonna go in town, vacuum the inside, clean the interior because it's so filthy inside. I feel so bad for my car. White is such a hard color to keep clean. I think black is too. But anyways, what the fuck? 20 bucks, I'll catch it. Well, never mind, he just fucking, look. Oh my god. What the fuck? Get out. What I'm doing right now is I'm gonna go pick up my friend Nico. Go shoot some photos of the Lexus. At a couple of spots. I need his help because I want to try to get on some ramps and stuff. And I know that's gonna be hard because we hella slammed in the Lexus. But anyways, when we get to Nico's, I'll show you what he picked up. So if you guys know what kind of car it is, stop the video now and drop a comment and let me know what y'all think. What y'all think the car is. So I'll see y'all at Nico's. Here, since I lowered the car. Yeah, dude, I gotta watch everything.
Oh, I feel so bad.
So we made it to the spot. What I'm gonna be doing is fucking backing and going onto that right there. I thought this was a pretty cool spot to do that.
I'm wearing all this black.
Hey, you wanna do black? Actually, I'm gonna back it up all the way. Here. What's up, man? Well, I wanna go. Alright, I know how to do this. Oh yeah, these are better shots. Fuck Texas. It's kinda hot. Shit. Alright, this is like way better. Oh, and then I can park over there too.
Oh yeah.
So cool. I'll probably get you to drive. Alright guys, we just got done doing the cinematics and all that good shit. The car is right there behind me, getting dripped on. Or little drops over there somewhere. Well guys, I hope you enjoy these cinematics that are about to come up right now. A big like if you like those cinematics, because I'm about to close the video, end it. I want to go home, start working on this video right now. I want to give a shout out to Nico for helping me today. And I also want to give a big shout out for Justin for helping me put my coils on, letting me use his shop, and helping me do my fenders the other day. He's a real good friend, so just want to give a shout out to him. Very grateful. What Nico needs to do is fucking buy some goddamn coils so it can be at least low enough and not have that monster truck fitment on his fucking Honda. That's what he needs to do. If I can get 6 likes on this video, Nico's gonna buy some coils. He's like, oh fuck. So guys, thank you if you made it this far into the video. If you're a new subscriber, thank you for subscribing. If you're not a new subscriber, fucking hit that like button. Help me out. It's for free. Become a Dinky Saiyan, like all of us. But anyways, guys, I'll see you guys on the next vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll check you out on the next vlog.